Well, hi, Ray Wood here for Jigglar, and today we're going to take a look at the Property Star, which is a pretty awesome looking newsletter. Or newsletters, there are three distinct designs so far. These are A4 or US letter size, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. And that is how the front looks. So you've got different options there to promo a property you're selling, a property you've sold. You can highlight your own profile, obviously, to position yourself as the authority in your area. There's a stack of stuff that you can do here. You can use your book above market value, which you can create in Jigglar. If you haven't done that yet, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video as well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. That's how the front looks. This is the back. Three distinct different sizes. And congratulations to the Jigglar design team who've done a fabulous job putting these three babies together. Now, the Property Star is a double-sided newsletter, A4 or US letter size, as I mentioned, 8.5 by 11 inches. Applications, well, you could save it as a PDF and send it to clients. You can save it as a JPEG and post it to social media. You could do it monthly or you can do it seasonally, summer, autumn, winter, spring, which seems to be the most popular so far. So this is how to get started. If you don't already have a Jigglar account, well, what's going on? All you need to do is go to jigglar.com. Now, it's a free 30-day trial, no credit card required. 100% real estate content, hundreds of templates for everything, and we are the fastest growing real estate marketing platform on the planet. Now, these are the assets required for you to get started. You will need your Jigglar account, as I just mentioned. You'll need a headshot, your logo. I like a headshot, by the way, on a transparent background. If you need to know more about that, let me know and I'll show you how to do that really quickly and easily. Your logo, set up your branding profile. I'm going to show you how to do that. Your images, JPEG or .png file. Now, it's not going to work on your mobile. These are larger templates that would be impossible to edit on your mobile phone, so you will need your laptop or your desktop. And can I suggest you set up your copy in a Word doc, so then you can just cut and paste, because if you're in the Jigglar interface, if you're editing your template and you have to take a call, you have to run away or something gets distracted, you don't want to risk losing your work. So can I suggest setting up everything you need on a Word doc to get started? All right, let's get into it. Okay, well, here we are in my Jigglar dashboard. And just by the way, every time you log in, if you're a new Jigglar agent, every time you log in to your dashboard, we automatically put all of our fresh and new real estate templates right on the front page for you to see. So often when I log in, I find something new. So here's a couple of fresh Instagram and Facebook posts. I really like these, actually. They look really cool. I must explore those later. All right, stay on target, Ray. Don't get distracted. I'm going to put in here, I'm going to do a search for the Property Star. That's probably all I need to do. In fact, you know what, I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to show you one thing real quick. Go up here just to make sure, if you haven't done this already, and just make sure that you've got your agency settings correct. So I'm in here in my account, and I click Agency Settings. Now, I've set this to EXP for today's example, but you'll see here there's a lot of the larger brands that are already included. If your larger brand is not included here in this drop-down, let me know, and we will set it up. We're doing that all the time. Okay, save my changes, and back into my dashboard, type in my search for the Property Star, click Enter on my keyboard or Return. Up comes a template. Which one would I like to edit? Let's take a look at this one here. Okay, so here's my template that I'm ready to edit. The first thing I'm going to do is click Save, and let's just call this a test. And now I can start editing the front and the back. That's how the front looks, that's how the back looks. All I need to do is click up here and I can see the back looks. Now, you saw before how I changed, how I had my colors specifically for EXP, because I'm an EXP agent for this example. So I'm going to use this tool over here because I want to put my EXP colors here. I'm going to use this tool over here on the left, and I click Apply, and there it is. It's magically changed my logo colors to my template colors to my EXP colors. So same thing over here, the back page, do the same thing, and voila. Okay, so let's start to do a little bit of editing on the Property Star. Okay, so I'm going to call this, let's call it the Baton Rouge Property Star. Okay, now you can see that's a little bit big, so all I need to do is highlight it. I've highlighted it, and now I'm going to use this font size tool over here, and it brings it back to the font size I want. I like that. That looks awesome. Okay, so the summer edition 2020, that's all set up there. I like the way that looks. I like the background. That's fine. Let me put my agent here, and agent of the day today is Baton Rouge's very own Darren James. Hello, Darren. There he is. Agent extraordinaire, serving the greater Baton Rouge area. Okay, so there's Darren's image. Now we need a logo. The EXP logo, okay, so this is a good example. Let's check it out. Now you know that you can't use a logo inside of Jigglar until, like any application, until you've uploaded it. So let's take a look at our image tool here and see what we can find. Okay, so I've already uploaded the EXP logo, so it will be in my very private media library. In fact, there it is. I'm going to hit it. Now, you can see if I want to put that up there, for example. So let me just get rid of this one first. So I'm just highlighting that. Now I'm clicking delete on my keyboard. And as you can see, it's a little bit hard to read. So maybe I don't want to use it there. What I could do is I could use it down here. Let's have a look. So I kind of like the way that that looks there, like that, actually, all of that copy. That looks pretty good to me. Let me just move that up a little bit and center it. My property star in place. I'm a big star, so I'm going to make that a bit bigger. There we go. All right, I like it. I like it. So, okay, so my logo here, let's do something with that. Now, I could put it down the bottom here, but we've got an orange background. Let me delete that, clicking delete on my keyboard. An orange background. So how do we get away with that? So the best way to get away with that is to use a shape here like this. And I'm going to position this. Now, if I want a closer look, I'm on a Mac, so I've set it up so I can just tap twice on my mouse pad, and it makes my screen a little bit bigger. So there we go. I've got that in place there like that. If you want to move things smaller increments like I'm doing at the moment, I'm just using those 4 little directional keys on my computer and putting those into place. Now, I want to make this white. So let's take a look. How do I do that? Get back to my normal area. My color, shape color over here. Let's make that white. Let's click select. Let's put my logo over it. Now my logo's highlighted, so I'm going to use this tool here, stack. I'm just going to go move up, and there it is. Nice and clean and highly visible. All right, so that is good to go. Here's your copy. You're just going to grab, like I mentioned, copy from your Word doc, grab that, put it in place. Your information here, James Street, Baton Rouge, and I can edit everything I want. My images, okay, so here's, let me give you a quick demo again here. So I'm going to click on that image. I want to update it. I'm just clicking delete on my keyboard. It's left the shape where I want to place the image highlighted, perfect, which gives me this tool here on the left, place image into shape. I grab that, and there's a home that I want to put in there. Awesome. I just go insert. Let's do the same thing there. Delete. It's left it highlighted. I go to my library. There's another property or another image that I want to use because I've uploaded all of these before. Same there. Same there. Let's get rid of that. Let's highlight that. You can see how easy it is to do, right? It's that simple. Bang. So I can complete that, and if I want to do my back page, I should have clicked save then. Not following my own advice. So same thing here again. We can put our logo in play. You can change all of this. You can do whatever you want. So it's pretty much that easy. Now you might have noticed on the front there is, no, not on this one. I think on one of the other ones. Where is it? Here's a copy of our book, Above Market Value. Okay, so this is a book that we've created that's actually inside of Jigglar. So you can create your own, I think it's 20 pages. You can create your own customized version. Can't change the outside colors, but you can. Let's have a look here. Where is it? There it is. So you can see here, I'm going to save it. Okay, so you can quickly jump in and edit your book right here. So subpage 1, you can grab your information there. Where's my photo of Darren? There it is. I can change it. I can put my logo in place there. It's really that easy, guys. I always say if you can drive a Facebook page, you can drive a Jigglar account. We've set it up quick and dirty. You can jump in. You can edit everything that you need as quickly as you want, all of your copy, and you are good to go. So you can save it. Bang. There's another page there. So if you need to, this is all preset, so you can't change it. That's not changeable anyway. So then your book is ready once you've got it how you want. I think is there a page at the end? Let me just take a look. I think there might be a sub page at the end with the agent's details on. Yep, same thing there. Great. In any case, I'll just show you that as a quick example. I think we've got a special video just for that. So I think that's a pretty good summary. There's another design that I showed you. And here's the one that I've just done for Darren. So all I need to do is save it. Save to my Jiggles again. And if I want to download this as, say, a PDF that I can send or print off, I simply grab that. It's saving it as a PDF. Yes, where do I want it? Desktop. Great. And there it is. Nice and print ready, ready to go. In what am I trying to say? High resolution, great looking graphics, nice and sharp, professional grade to make you look awesome. That is the mission. Any questions? Please let me know. Thanks so much for watching the video. I'm here to help. Dream big and take names.